Fine, then I'll just have to...
Your time is up, Hashirama.
This is bad. At this rate... Yes! Wood style! Wood clone jutsu!
Let's do this, Sasuke. Are those... the Hokage?
They're trying to take him on? Yeah. First, the Elders will investigate the situation using clones. What we need to focus on now is properly analyzing our foe.
Let's go! Tobirama! Sarutobi!
Yes, sir!
Time to see just what a ten-tailed jinchuriki is capable of.
Don't let up, even for a moment.
Random paper bomb!
Understood!
Completely focused, it still won't be enough. That's how much power I have now. A world without failures. Why would you want to reject that kind of happiness?
Not necessarily.
Leave it to me.
People grow from thinking, worrying, and failing. Happiness is what comes after all that.
But what if your failure causes you to lose something you can never regain? People regret things and wish they could do them over again, but they can't. Failure is not allowed in this world.
Sorry, he's seeing something different from your reality. There's no use in arguing.
I never thought the fist of the Hokage, who carries the village on his shoulders, would feel this light. Now I understand. You failed because you were weak.
They may be clones, but he's still taking on 3 of me at once.
Surely you must realize by now just how futile this battle is.
Got it.
All of his attacks are so powerful.
Is the Supreme Shinobi really giving up?
Not yet! We'll attack together! Feel the power of the Hokage!
Gotcha!
The Ten Tails Jinchuriki. He's even stronger than I imagined. Well done.
You do the rest.
This feeling, there's no...
I see. Since the Ten Tails is inside me, I can't weave my way through. That's no problem, though.
He took that many attacks? And he's still unscathed?
The dead have no right to talk about the future. You should simply...
Oh no.
go back to sleep in the past.
You old guys!
What was that?
He made that black ball on his back explode in size.
The second?
Relax. The ones that got hit were all clones.
Oh, right! I forgot!
But that guy, he's dangerous.
Right now, I have the same power as the founder of Shinobi. I'm incomparable to anything you've experienced.
Obito. I thought you wanted to become the Hokage. Why did you end up like this?
You're trying to preach to me at this stage of the game. Don't you feel it's a bit too late, Sensei? You're always too late when it counts the most. I'm glad my master was the Hokage. Thanks to that, I was able to give up on becoming one.
He's right. If I had only noticed that was Obito back then, I might have been able to stop him. The Shinobi world might not have ended up like this.
You were my master, yet you didn't even notice it was me. That's the hard truth. In the end, The path you walked was nothing but a total failure.
You weren't even able to become one. What gives you the right to make fun of a Hokage? And he became the Hokage. Don't you dare make fun of him! It's all right. I know what the truth is. More than anyone from the Hidden Leaf. More than anyone in the world. More than Obito. You didn't make a single mistake, Dad. I know that better than anyone else. So come on. Let's go, Dad.
Yeah. Let's go.
Naruto Uzumaki. Finding reality. Now that I've acquired the power of the Sage of the Six Paths, you can't possibly defeat me.
Says who? We aren't gonna lose!
Feast your eyes on the power of the Sage of the Six Paths! Gotcha. All get lost. I'll take it from you. Distance. Get lost.
I'll take care of this!
Just as I thought.
I'll take care of this!
It's about time I shut you up.
Why does it feel like I'm fighting tension?
What starts here is the... Get lost.
I'll take care of this! Let me... Right?
Get lost. All set. Get lost. This is truly irritating. Is that all you got?
Too slow!
Out of my sight. Get lost.
Thought it would come to this.
I'll take care of this!
Naruto has a lot of hopes.
It doesn't matter how much you recover. I can still damage you. If everyone works together. We can beat anyone, no matter how strong they are.